7 Facts for Artificial Intelligence. AI is a machine that can solve problems that humans perform using natural intelligence. It can design computer chips faster than humans to generate news. 3. And personalize websites and apps for users. 3. AI was first conceptualized in the 60s by Leibniz, but the term artificial intelligence originated in 96 by McCarthy. 4. AI can also interact with humans through voice assistants like Siri, which use natural language processing and speech recognition to understand and respond to user queries. AI is expected to have a market size of $27 billion by 2027. By 23, it is expected to reach $7 trillion. AI can learn from massive data sets using machine learning and deep learning techniques. For machine learning is a learning technique where machines can learn raw data without explicit programming, while deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the human brain. 4. AI can perform tasks that are commonly associated with intelligent beings, such as planning, problem solving, and reasoning. For example, AI can discover proofs for mathematical theorems or play chess with great proficiency. 4. AI has applications in many fields and industries, such as medicine, agriculture, cybersecurity, fintech, manufacturing, journalism, and entertainment. 23. AI can help diagnose diseases, optimize crops, detect fraud, automate processes, create content, and entertain audiences. Thanks for watching our Future Tech channel. Like, subscribe, and share for watch more.